Good day everyone, we are Clark Group and today we will discuss and present the Venn diagram for the reading Mathematician's Lament and our experiences on how math was taught to us. And next we're going to present how we will discuss the math lesson of our choice for a designated audience, which is the kids or children.
First is differentiation instruction. It is a kind of teaching method wherein the teacher will adjust his or her ways of teaching according to the ability of every student.
Flipped classroom learning is one of the methods on how they taught us mathematics in our school, wherein this is a learner-centered approach. During our class in math, our math teacher allowed us to engage in meaningful activities with regard to our topic in math. They continually monitor and observe us and give feedback on how we learn.
Direct instruction, it is a kind of teaching method the teacher used over the years, wherein the teacher stands in front of a class and teaches his or her subject matter to the students.
Next is deliberate instruction. It is when our teacher takes teaching as a complex and purposeful act that can benefit from analysis, reflection, and growth mindset.
Mathematics is also taught through collaborative learning, wherein the learners will be divided into groups to share ideas and new insights about a new topic. Mathematics is an inquiry-based learning, where it is an approach that focuses on the ideas learners, suggestions, and questions.
This pandemic has resulted in schools and universities shut globally. As a result, education has changed dramatically. From face-to-face lectures, shifted to virtual platforms to conduct online classes, and this is one of the examples of blended learning.
Project-based learning, it is a kind of teaching method that teacher use to let their students enhance their creativity and problem-thinking skills by doing a project.
Mathematics is not a language. It is an adventure like kinesthetic learning. It is when learning takes place by the students carrying out physical activities rather than listening to a lecture or watching demonstrations.
Mathematics is a problem-based learning. It is where the learners make ideas and also patterns to solve new problems.
Third is game-based learning. It is a teaching method wherein it makes the students learn skills and think in the big possibilities in a fun way.
According to the author, mathematics is a method of thought that takes time. Like modeling in scaffolding, or math teachers use an instructional strategy to demonstrate a new concept or approach to learn and by observing. Scaffolding is because our math teachers help us develop our critical thinking skills and learn the ability to be independent in learning math.
According to the author Paul, math is more beautiful when it is simpler. It is because it lets the student understand the subject matter easily.
Next is mathematics is a pattern of ideas. It is because mathematics can be solved through different solutions and approach. Thus, mathematics can be solved through different patterns of ideas.
Mathematics is an art. It can be about dancing, singing, or even playing musical instruments. However, we just do not recognize it because it is not the usual art form that we see.
Fourth is, according to the author, he states that learning should be taught in a natural or organic way, so that young learners will seek to learn voluntarily.
According to the author Paul, he described math as an art wherein just by looking around us, we can see that a lot of things are made by humans in a creative way. And it is thanks to math. I love being math so much.
Mathematics is and always has been about ideas, and a valuable idea transcends the symbols with which you choose to represent it. We apply the ideas in math like in engineering, physics, chemistry, and other branches of math and science. The major discoveries and invention human has mathematics that is widely used for technology, and all of this exists because of the idea of mathematics.
Mathematics is about removing the obstacles of our intuitions and ourselves. It is not about building barriers, it is about creating the connection between the two.
Good day! The topic that we chose for a designated audience, which is the children, is a simple fraction of addition, though we were going to discuss it through a game form. Why so? It is because it could help the children be interested in dealing with mathematics subject, wherein it will boost their motor skills, social skills, and cognitive skills in a fun way.